Abhishek and I welcome you all to the Tech Master channel. So today we are going to start with the second episode of affiliate marketing. So basically I will show you in the video ahead how to register over here and how to work over here, the different tools you are going to use in the affiliate marketing, in the Flipkart affiliate marketing. So in my previous episode I think you have seen how you have to work with the Amazon affiliate marketing program. So I think you have done a very good job if you have watched the video. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel by hitting the subscribe button down there and also hit the notification button to get the notification from YouTube whenever I upload my videos. So let's move on to the video, and till then stay tuned and watch the video till the end, and please don't skip the video because it is for your benefication. I make money making videos every week. So let's go to my laptop screen and see the steps of registrations and the different types of tools you're going to need for the Flipkart affiliate marketing. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, the website, the Flipkart affiliate marketing program, it is now in the beta stage. Okay, so I've already made up an account over here. The account is in the waiting list. I will show you why it is in the waiting list. So let's begin to the topic. So guys, I will show you an overview about the website. So these are the different affiliate tools. You can see the picture over here, and this is the report you are going to get if you work sincerely over here, and the different types of commissions. I will speak about each and every item they give the commission upon. Okay, so these are the some of the testimonials. So after you click the link that will be given in the description, you are going to land on this page. Okay, after you land on this page, you have to click on join now for free. After you click on join now for free, you have to make a registrations. Simply you have to give your name over here, your full name, your email address, your country code. See, as I live in India, it will be the first one over here, the India, and you have to give your phone number, and you have to give a website or the app URL you want to show or share your affiliate links over there, and you have to click the join waiting list. After you click join waiting list, you will see that your registration is successfully done over here and you have been selected in the waiting list. In sooner or later we will show you the result. Okay, after this, if you finish the registration part over here, I will show you the different types of commissions they give over here on different types of tools, gadgets, everything. Okay, they are making a app. Okay, affiliate Flipkart affiliate program app. They will be launching it soon, so it is in the beta stage over here, you can see. Okay, and these are the different types of payouts in February. Okay, the referral commission changes every month, so it's not a problem. You have to cope up with that. In grocery items, those who lives in Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru will get 11% commission on new customer, and on existing customer they will get 3% from the website and the mobile apps. Okay, in fashion and lifestyle, like the sunglasses, women's safety, clothing, watches, kid clothes, kids accessories, kid footwear, women footwear, clothing, bags, wallets, belts. Okay, you're going to get on that 4% on mobile as well as on website. In books and other general merchandise, you're going to get 10%. On home products, you're going to get 8%. In furniture, you're going to get 12%. This is the maximize or the maximum percentage you're going to get through the affiliate program. On electronics, you're going to get 4%. On large appliances like the TV, television, the refrigerator, washing machine, you're going to get 4%. But on LED TVs, you're going to get 0.1%. And some of the small home appliances like the Google Home, the Chromecast, you're going to get 8%. The mobile phones, you're going to get type A mobiles are there, 1%, type B mobiles are there, and type C, and the other mobile percentages you're going to get over here. These are the different types of health and personal care appliances, gemstones and silvers, the different types of costly stones, Flipkart gift card, okay, exercise and nutrition, large sports, storage, external devices, hard drives, CDs, pen drives, memory cards, CD, DVD 4%, fitness 4%. Okay, they give a quite well percentile over here, and I'm going to show you the different types of tools that you're going to use over here. Although the website is in beta version now, so they are not giving any actual form, but you have to register over here first. After you done the registration, they will send you a link. After the beta version of the website is done, they will send you a link. You have to click on that link and you have to fill the full form they will send on that link. After that you can make the actual account over here. Okay guys, so for the product linking and the banners, you can see over here how you are going to generate over here and how the product link will shown over here. These are the different types of promotional banners and widgets. You can use these in your websites, on your blogs, on your apps. Okay, and this is the different types of search tools, like you have the Amazon site stripe. They also have the search tool like this. You can see over here, this is the different types of APIs. This is the FAQ section. You can go and see over here how to get started, the different types of affiliate tools. You can see the reports over here and the different types of FAQs, and you can also see the updates over here when the website is going to be updated. See, you can see over here, try the affiliate bookmarklet widget to get Flipkart affiliate tracking links over here. Okay, you can see you can contact them, and the registration part I've shown you previously. So guys, I think you're going to sign up over here and you have to make a registration for making an affiliate account over here. If you want to work with the Flipkart affiliate program, though I work on Amazon, basically I will recommend guys you to work on Amazon affiliate programming that I've shown in the previous episode. So if you like my video, please share with your friends and family, and also give a thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to leave a small comment in the comment section that how have you made the registration and what are the different types of difficulties you have faced in making the registration process. I will be glad to know, and till then stay tuned, be fine, be healthy. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.